and welcome to my channel. I am Caroline and this is Carol's Beauty, and today, you guessed it, we're doing a BoxyCharm box unboxing try on look. I'm super excited for this month's box because we get 6 items. I know, 6 items, and let me show you what's inside. You get this little insert card and it tells you the products and the prices. And first we have this eyeshadow palette by Alamarcosmetics that I'll be showing you later on in this video. We have a set of 3 Luxie brushes. We have this sample, let me make that clear, sample body butter by Sol de Janeiro, which it smells really nice, but it's a sample. What's going on? Also, we have this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona, new shade. We have this jaune de bleu liner, and we have the lashes that you see on my eyes right now. So before beginning the video, please remember to subscribe to my channel. The button should be right here, and like this video and leave a comment down below if you like this look, because why not? And without me continuing to ramble on, let's begin. So I'm starting off the video with my base already done. I use the new Colourpop complexion products. It will be linked in my description box. So I'm really excited about this month's BoxyCharm box. We got 6 items this month, not 5, 6. When I tell you guys that I love a BoxyCharm, they keep me stocked up, they keep my makeup collection growing and growing and growing. So this month I got Alamarcosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and let me show you this beauty. And this is what the palette looks like. I already swatched a couple of the shades, but the palette is absolutely beautiful. It's super pigmented. And before we begin this look with this beautiful eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna do some swatches so you guys can see how pigmented this is. So this is the shade La Costa, and it's a nice frothy pink. This is El Malecón, and that's a really nice kind of very bright green, kind of limey shade. Next we have Varadero, and that's that swatch. Ooh, that is nice. Next we have Celia, a really nice frothy green. This is a matte shade. This is called Coco Taxi. Okay, so this is Coco Taxi with a couple of swatches on top of it. Next we have Tropico. That is nice. That is a nice matte. Next we have Guantanamera. Anita Guantanamera. This is Guantanamera. And the last shade is called Cafecito. That is a nice brown. So these are the complete 8 shades of the palette, and everything looks really nice. Are you gonna help your mama do her eyeshadow, boba? So first, I'm going to be starting off the look with this shade Coco Taxi, and using my Morphe E30 to apply that shadow. And this, I'm just gonna apply it as my transition shade. The next shade I'm going to use is this shade Tropico right here, and I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics V5 eyeshadow blending brush. In this, I'm also applying it to my crease, but I'm keeping it lower than I have the orange. And this orange, it didn't swatch that well, but on the crease, it looks pretty damn good. Next, I'm going to be picking up the shade Cafecito and using my Versanti Contour Eyeshadow Brush number 4. The very just a small blending brush. I'm just going to pick up that shade. And this, I'm keeping it very low on the crease. Going back to that original E30, and I'm just gonna blend out the top here. I forgot to do that. Now I'm gonna use this concealer brush from Luxie Brushes, the Luxie 245, and it's just a flat, small concealer brush. And I have some of my Colourpop concealer here, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna cut the crease. That's where I want to make the cut crease. Okay, so this is where you should be right now. So for the eyelid itself, I'm gonna add the shade Malecon. And applying it to the lids. Okay, I was gonna do a double cut crease, but I decided not to. I didn't like how it was, you know, how it was going. So I just filled in the line that I was leaving. And I do like how this light kind of greenish shade is paired with these colors. It's just different. I'm gonna finish off the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So I completed the top portion of the cut crease. So now I'm gonna work on the bottom lid, and I want to do a bold color. I don't know if I want to put Varadero or Celia on the bottom lash line. I'm so indecisive about it. To start off the bottom lid, and so I'm just gonna start off the bottom lid. I'm gonna use the shade Cocoa Taxi. Okay, so I'm gonna be a little bold, and I'm gonna apply the shade Celia to my bottom lid, and I'm just gonna use a small shader brush from Vera Mona. Now that the bottom lid is done, I'm going to do a liner. And I'm going to be using my Emcosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner in black. Now that we're done with the eyeliner, we're gonna move on to the next item in the BoxyCharm box, and it's the Jaunty Bleu. Jaunty Bleu. So fancy for an eyeliner name. This is a Jante Blue eyeliner pencil, and this is the shade 912 Charcoal. And this is a swatch of it. It's not supposed to be black. I'm baffled. I thought this was gonna be really black. So let's just try it out and see. This pencil did nothing but make my eyes water. So that's the negative for this. Let's see how much this cost. Let's see how much this Jante Blue cost. I have the card here. Okay, so it was $5. So still you want good quality for $5. Next I have these Battington eyelashes, and this is what they look like. So nice. They're nice and wispy. So I'm gonna apply these off camera because honestly it takes me forever to apply lashes. So the lashes are on now, and for mascara I use this Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. Now let's continue on. So also in the box I got this Sol de Janeiro Body Butter, and honestly, I don't understand why would they put a sample in the box when it's supposed to be full-size items. But for the sake of the video, we gotta act, you know, for the sake of video, let's just take some of that and apply it to my hands, because why not? It smells really good. That I could say it smells really good, but I'm not too happy about getting this in my BoxyCharm, if I'm honestly speaking. Next, we're gonna do the face, and for the face, I'm going to be using my new Luxie brushes that came in the box. And this is what we got. We got a dual fiber brush. I got a tapered highlighter brush. It's kind of big though, kind of big for a highlighter. And precision foundation brush. I'm gonna apply some bronzer, and I'm gonna use this Glambrronze from Loreal Cosmetics with that dual fiber brush. And see how that picks up products. Picks up really good. Next, I'm gonna add some blush, and I'm gonna use this Milani blush in 05 Luminoso. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Limecrime Hi-lite Opals highlighting little trio here. And I'm going to be picking up this yellow shade and mixing it a little bit with this pink shade. And using this highlighting brush, picking up some of that. Okay, the last thing to do is to apply a lipstick, and I'm going to be applying this Ofra lipstick that also came in the BoxyCharm box, and this is in the shade Verona. So pretty. So this is the final look using all the BoxyCharm, whatever you want to call it, items. You know, I did have a little few things that weren't from the box, you know, just to complete the look. But I really like this month box. Aside from that eyeliner and the lotion, it smells nice. I don't mind it. It smells nice. But the eyeliner was garbage. But everything else was amazing. The Alamar palettes, I'm like so shooketh by this. Shooketh. This is really nice quality. Very, very, very nice quality. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button should be right here, I believe right here, and press like in this video, and check out my previous video where I did a review on the Colourpop no filter complexion products. And I don't know what else to say. See you on my next one. Leave a comment down below. Share your thoughts with me. Share your thoughts with me, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.